You think posting your first video is just about hitting upload, but what actually happens after that? Most people think it's just about views, likes, and comments, but there's something deeper happening beneath the surface. What's happening is your identity starts to shift the second you post. So in this video, I'll share 3 ways posting your first video rewires your identity, plus a bonus tip that'll make that shift stick, even when self-doubt hits. Let's get into it. When you post your first video, something subtle but powerful happens. You stop needing external validation to create. Before that, you're waiting. Is it good enough? What will people think? Your brain is naturally coming up with all these what-if scenarios to protect you from potential negative feedback. But once it's out there, you've already done the hardest part. You acted without permission, which is important because you need to learn to take the good with the bad. That's the moment you shift from consumer to creator. You don't just watch YouTube anymore, you belong here. Suddenly, you're not just a fan in the stands, you're also a player on the field. Did you feel that switch after your first upload? That weird mix of panic and relief? Let me know if you know that feeling. Confidence isn't built from thinking about doing something, it's built from proof. Posting that first video is your proof. Even if it only gets 5 views, now it's real. That's a small but massive identity update. I can do hard things. I can do this posting thing. I can put myself out there. And every time you post again, you're reinforcing that new identity. That's why consistency matters. It's not about the algorithm, it's about who you're becoming. I was just thinking about this the other day, how we tend to forget how good we've gotten at something, anything, because our memories fade. At least with this, when it comes to posting, you have a library of content to refer back to remind you how much you've grown. What's one thing you've proved to yourself by hitting upload? Let me know in the comments. You'll start noticing tiny shifts. You speak with more clarity, you think before you talk, and your self-awareness skyrockets. You've moved away from being afraid of judgment to being intentional with your voice, and that's a superpower. That change spills into your relationships, work, even how you carry yourself in public. Because once you've faced a camera, you have faced yourself. Anyone else notice that posting content actually made you more confident in real life? Comment same if that's you. In the beginning, your confidence is fragile. It's still forming, so be careful who you let shape it. For example, consider sharing your first video only with those closest to you if you don't feel you're ready to face the good with the bad. Because that identity, I'm a creator now, is powerful and it needs time to grow. Now let's get into a mental health tip. Remember, confidence doesn't mean never feeling scared. It means you show up anyway. Every upload rewires a little bit more of that fear into courage. So take care of your mental space as much as your creative one. If this helped you see posting your first video differently, hit like so more creators can find this too, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. You won't want to miss them. Take care. What's happening? You think most people think it's just about luck. Plus a bonus tip that'll make that shift. Let's get into it. Something subtle but powerful happens. But before that, you're waiting. Even if it only gets 5 views, but what's one thing you've improved? You think before you talk and consider. For example,